We are going to do a walkthrough of a 2016 Denray 9600B series downdraft sanding table. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Denray 9600B series downdraft sanding table is unbelievably clean. It has seen very little use in a very clean environment. Its 5 horsepower fan produces 4,800 CFM at 82 decibels. Filtration is provided via 4 cartridges with push button cleaning. The top measures 48 by 96 inches and stands 35 inches off the floor.